are going to we're going to be focusing on visitors still and inviting visitors through LinkedIn. And I believe, or I don't know if you're assisting with this, but we are having Malcolm Brown and welcoming him right now.
Take it away, Malcolm. My audio is a little off today, but I'll try to be loud. So, LinkedIn is like the back end approach of what I'm trying to do, but today's focus is on BNI Connect because it's something that I've got a lot of use of as a BNI member. And so right there is the usual ways that people use BNI Connect, which is like our BNI website or app, whatever. So referrals, thank you for closed business. We're looking at the roster, CEUs, all that's very helpful. But if you go to the next slide, I go to the kind of less popular ways to use it. Groups has not been that useful for me. It's like kind of how you connect with people internationally. Testimonials, they're somewhat useful, and like connections is kind of like LinkedIn. You can like add someone, and it kind of useful for knowing your roster within BNI of people that you know outside of your chapter, but like still in BNI. But then the thing I want to focus on today is a global search. Can you go to the next one, Ashley? And this is just me like color coding how useful each one is. And then go to the next one again. But global search is how I've met up with a lot of people and done a lot of one-to-ones. So usually I do like three, like three BNI meetings a week. And then I also do like this global search thing where I just look up, like for example, I can look up other videographers, which I've done before. And so I've met with videographers in California, like New Mexico, Pennsylvania. I just ask them a lot of questions and do the normal one-to-one stuff, but especially because I'm younger, like 27 years old, people just give me a lot of advice and I just take it. And when I do that, I also match that up with connecting with them on LinkedIn. And it kind of works because then they'll know maybe like two or three people that they want to connect me to, and I can one-to-one with them. And so the whole point of like this BNI Connect strategy that I'm talking about is to grow and have more connections, but just like slowly, like intimately. Like rather than just spamming everyone, which I've done before, like just send out spam emails through BNI Connect. But I've stopped doing that, and instead I just make actual connections. And so I just look at their LinkedIn and kind of talk about what we have in common, and but it's scalable. I think the last slide is just an example of what I've searched for. It can be pretty broad, like this. I searched for remote on the keyboard one time, and it was just me, so that didn't help a lot. But I keep it broad and just kind of go down the list, and it's that simple.
Very good. This is really something we've never covered as a topic in BNI. So this is really good information. This is kind of a deeper dive into like some of the tools that are available in BNI that Malcolm is talking about. BNI kind of has its own app. We have our own little app that we use to refer business to each other. And Malcolm has taken it to the next level of actually finding, global connections using some of these advanced global features. So definitely take advantage of that. Thank you very much, Malcolm. That's brand new information to the group. Oh, here's one more slide. This is like the examples of the search, right?
Yeah, just examples of video people.
So when you're doing the search, this is what shows up on this is the web application too, right?
Yeah, it's from the web.
All right, very good. Let's move on to our drum roll and our notable networker of the week, presented by